All right, guys, let's check those answers. Let's see how you did. Let's look on this first figure here. Remember, you're always tempted to try to count how many cubes. Don't do that. You can use the cubes for measurement. So if you're calling this top part the base, which we mostly do, because it's the easiest way to do it if you can see it, it's 3 by 4. So there's 12. So there's 12 total blocks on the top level. But how many levels are there? There's 3. Okay. So you have 12 times 3, which is 36. So 36 cubes, or 36 cubic units, which tomorrow we're going to advance to actual measurements instead of calling them cubic units or cubes. All right, what about this bad boy right here? We have the top base is 2 by 5. Okay, so you have 2 by 5, which is 10. And then there's 2. So 2 times 5 times 2. So that's 20. 20 cubes, or 20 cubic units. Now, in the past, when I have a group of 90 people, I always can search out the people that are still confused, and then I can keep explaining it in different ways until they hopefully get it. And in this situation, I don't have that. So some of you have reached out to me on email, and I got back with you and explained it, in different ways, and hopefully that helped. Or I can point you towards YouTube videos, or we can try different things. The other way that I used to explain it to students is just focus on one level, right? That's your base. So the top one's easy to see, and how many. And I always said, think about this like a hotel, right? So you have those hotels, you have some of them that you go to and it's just like flat on the ground, right? There's one level to it. But then you go to some and they have so many levels that you have to figure out how many rooms there are by multiplying it by floors, right? It's kind of like that here. So you're looking for a base, and this base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or there's 2 5 times, so there's 10. So 2 by 5 is 10. But there's multiple floors. How many floors are there? Well, here there's 2. So there's 10 on the first floor, 10 on the second, so there's 20 altogether, right? So 2 by 5 is great, but that only gives you the top layer, and then you multiply it by the height to see how many total there are when you multiply them by the different levels. And then the last question is, how many edges does a cube have? Okay, so how many edges does a cube have? And if you recall from our PowerPoint, a cube has 12, right? In 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. And it's really easy to mess this one up because it's hard to visualize. Most of them are hidden, and then you're afraid that you're going to count an edge more than once. How many faces? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that makes it all around, and then you have the top and bottom. So there's 6, right? 6. And if you look at our Rubik's Cube, they are each in their color there, and it's easy to see there's 6. And then finally the vertices, or the vertex, that part that could poke your eye out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which that's not even a question. So 6. Oh, right? It's like the Rubik's Cube. 6, 12. All right. I had a joke for you. Oh, it's not a joke. Did you hear about the squid? The squid has an esophagus that goes all the way through his brain. Is that food for thought or what? All right. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a great Mother's Day celebration, and I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day.